Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to use the most basic features of SMS Forwarder. Let's utilize a very common use case as an example. Let's imagine Mike, an employee of a company who has been given a work phone, but he also has a personal phone. And he wants to forward all the messages that he receives at his work phone over to his personal phone. So what Mike wants to do is install the app SMS Forwarder in his work phone number and configure it as follows. So this is Mike's work phone. He wants to open the app and he's going to create a new configuration. He's going to give this configuration a name, something very descriptive of what it does, something along the lines of forward to personal phone. And he's going to click next. Then in this section, he's going to select, I would like to forward all messages I receive. The next section is going to be left empty, it's not needed for this use case. And the same applies to the next section. The next section, the to contacts section in this case, is where we select the contacts that we want to forward our messages to. So Mike is going to click on add contact, he's going to browse contacts, he's going to select phone number, and from the list of his contacts he's going to select his personal phone number. And from here he's just going to click OK. And from here he's going to skip right over to the save section. And in this section he's going to click on save. Now let's put this configuration to the test. Let's see what happens when Mike receives a message at his work phone number from his boss. There is the message, so what Mike is going to do is simply open the message in the Messages app. The message simply says, "Hello Mike," from his boss, but if Mike goes back to the list of conversations, he notices that a message has been automatically sent to his personal phone number with the exact same content as the original message. That is what his configuration does. Now, if we open the app, we can confirm in the messages section that SMS Forwarder indeed sent a message to his personal phone number with the content "Hello Mike." Now, for the sake of completeness, let's go to Mike's personal phone number for a moment. And as expected, his personal phone receives a message from his work phone saying, "Hello Mike." For most people, this is usually enough, but what if Mike wants to reply to this message from his personal phone? From his personal phone, he cannot see who originally sent the message, in this case his boss, so he doesn't know who to reply to. So what Mike can do is append the information of the original sender to the body of the forwarded message and use that information to reply to the original sender from his personal phone. Let's go back to Mike's work phone and configure the app to do just that. So Mike is going to edit the configuration that he just created and jump right into the sender info section. He's going to enable both checkboxes and jump right into the save section again and click on save. Now, just like before, he's going to receive another message from his boss. Mike is going to open it in the Messages app, and Mike is going to go back to the list of conversations, and this time he will notice that the content of the forwarded message contains the information of his boss, the original sender. Now let's go back to Mike's personal phone and see what happens over there. Just like before, Mike receives a message from his work phone number, but this time the message contains information about the original sender, in this case his boss, so now Mike knows exactly who to reply to. What if Mike doesn't want the app to forward messages when he's not working? That is, between 5 p.m. and 9 a.m. Monday through Friday and all day during weekends. There is a feature in the app that allows disabling forwarding for a specific period of time. So let's go back to Mike's work phone and configure it to do just that. We're going to edit the configuration one more time, and we're going to jump straight into the breaks section. And here we're going to add a new break schedule. We're going to choose not to forward on Sundays and Saturdays between 12 a.m. and 12 a.m., which means we're not going to be forwarding all day. And now we're going to add another break schedule, but this time for weekdays. We're going to click on Add Schedule one more time, and this time we're going to choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday between 5 p.m. and 9 a.m. With this configuration, the app will now not forward all day on weekends and Monday through Friday between 5 p.m. and 9 a.m. We can now jump to the Save section and click on Save. Right now, Mike's boss is going to send him a message at 6:44 p.m., which is outside of work hours. But this time, we will see that the app will ignore the message and will not forward it to Mike's personal phone number. These are the most basic features that you can find in the SMS Forwarder app. I hope that you have found this video useful. I will post a link in the description of this video to download the app, and don't forget to leave some feedback. Thanks for watching.